if you're someone who loves to do slow stitching but then doesn't know what to do with the finished article, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you 5 things you can do with your slow stitch projects. The first one, probably one of my favourites, I think I'm on my 3rd book, is just a book. So instead of framing all your pieces because you run out of wall space, you can put them together in a collection. And this one doesn't particularly have a theme, but you could theme it. It could be birds, could be foliage and flowers, and also they don't need to have a theme. They could just be a little tactile book. So this was one I made last year. Lots of different projects, and this is really, it's just for me. I like looking at it. I like looking back on when I did it, and it actually gives me further inspiration for new things I want to do. I want to try a bit more of this wool felting, and this was my biggest video. Some scrappy birds. I really like these flowers, and they're just so nice to sort of touch felt books. So I do make quite a few of them. If you want to make something a little bit more useful with your slow stitching, you can slow stitch directly onto clothing. So this is an apron. It's probably going to be a gift. I need to back it. I'm going to give it away. But this was a really fun slow stitch project of just a bunch of carrots. Really enjoyed bringing these colours together. And it's going to be a practical item, which I know some people like to end up with a practical item. So you can sew directly onto your clothes, or you could make a small slow stitch patch which you then sew onto your clothes. But clothing is a great way to use your slow stitch pieces of work. The next one is to mount it. You could mount it in a hoop, but slow stitch doesn't really necessarily lend itself to being in a hoop. So I've mounted this one on a canvas, laid the fabric. This started as a kit, but I sort of made it my own. Laid the fabric, lots of nice stitching, backed it on a dark background on a canvas, so that's ready to hang. So this could be a piece of artwork for your own home, or it could be a gift that you wanted to give someone. Next one is wearable slow stitching. So this is a very cute little brooch that I made recently. Laid up some fabric, just did a really simple lot of straight stitches mainly, and made a cute little brooch of a pigeon. Again, a great gift, or just a funky little thing to accessorize your own clothes. The last thing today is a vessel, because there's loads of other things, so I probably will do another video on more ideas for your slow stitching projects. This one was just a rectangular piece of slow stitching, a little bit of fussy cutting from a nice flowery fabric, backed onto felt to make a little vessel, or a cup, or a useful pot for putting things in. And this one I actually made so it would have a glass interior, so you could use it as a vase. But either way, it's actually quite a useful item. You could use it on your craft desk, with your supplies in, or if you were going to give someone a little posy of flowers, you could give it a little bit of your own personality with a slow stitched sleeve. And luckily I've made videos on all these things if you want to check out the rest of my channel and give them a watch, and let me know in the comments if you are going to make any of those things or if you have already, and I will think of some more things that you can do with your slow stitched projects.